how to do it with it front. I'm like, make them jump, make them fall on they crack. Give them a slap up, I try something, stack up so fat in the back, make the boys all collapse. Be all on my jack. Boys wanna